Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Earth and its Resources. Lecture number 2. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear student, our today's topic is about Earth's second natural resource. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Breeze. Light and slow wind is called breeze. Gale. Strong wind is called gale. Let's learn the use of wind. Wind is used to generate the electricity through windmills. Our next resource is soil. Soil is a natural resource. It is made up of rock particles, sands, clay, and remains of living things. All living things directly or indirectly depends on soil for their food and nutrition. Soil is very helpful for growth of plants because plants grow in soil. Soil provides support mineral and nutrients to plants. Many animals live in soils just like insects. Let's learn about minerals. Minerals are solid substances that are present naturally. They are found in rocks or deep under the earth. Minerals are used to make jewelry, pottery, and ornaments. Minerals are found in bones. Say your next time. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.